Looking for a compact, efficient way to handle laundry while traveling or in small spaces? The portable mini washing machine 3-in-1 3L is designed to make washing, spinning, and draining effortless, perfect for underwear, baby clothes, socks, towels, and more. This upgraded 3-in-1 washer combines washing, spin drying, and automatic draining in a single compact unit. With a 3-liter capacity, it's ideal for small loads and keeps your essentials clean without taking up much space, making it perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, or travel. Operation is simple and user-friendly. Fill it with water, add detergent, select your mode, and let it do the work. The spin dry function removes excess water quickly, saving time and reducing drying effort, while the auto drain feature ensures no manual emptying hassles. Its lightweight and compact design makes it highly portable. You can place it on a countertop, in a bathroom, or even take it on trips. Despite its small size, it's surprisingly efficient, giving your small garments a thorough clean while being gentle on fabrics. Built for convenience, this mini washing machine is perfect for busy individuals, parents with little ones, or anyone living in tight spaces who still wants clean, fresh laundry. It's energy efficient, easy to use, and keeps laundry manageable without the need for full-size machines. If you want a portable, compact, and versatile laundry solution that's perfect for travel, dorms, or small homes, this 3-in-1 mini washing machine is a smart and practical choice. Click the link below for the best price.